Hello everyone, it's Oshie here. Welcome back to my page. In today's video, we're going to be making coconut candy. I've been craving for this coconut candy for a very long time. So I went to the supermarket, then I saw coconut. I said, ooh, let me just buy this coconut so I can use it to make coconut candy. Because in Nigeria, back then in Nigeria, we used to sell coconut candy even in school. We will make coconut candy, we'll take it to school, then we tie it, I think to 2 naira, then we'll be selling it in school. Then it get to a point that we start selling it for 5 naira, then we'll be selling it in school, in class. So we'll be selling it in class. So I remember then, so I decided to make coconut candy and eat. Okay, so here I just finished slicing the coconut now. Then I want to make coconut candy. This coconut candy is so sweet. So I put my fry pan on my burner, then I turn the coconut inside. So I will add some sugar inside the coconut, then I will stir it and stir it, and I will keep stirring it till it will get dry. So here I'm stirring it. I'm even tired of stirring. I was even thinking that this thing don't want to dry, so I keep stirring it, stir and stir and stir and stir. That is how we used to make it then. Oh. That is how we used to make it back then. Business, we started doing business since small. We started doing business since we were small. So here the coconut candy has started turning brown. So I can't wait for this coconut to turn brown, because I'm tired of turning. At this point, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted of turning, but I keep turning. So here it turned brown, but not brown like the way I want it to be. I will keep stirring it till it's dry. But the as in the aroma is everywhere in the house. The aroma is just everywhere. Now it's dry. Look at the coconut candy. Oh my god. Look at it. It's so dry now. As in, it can even stay for at least 1 week at home without even getting bad, because it's really dry. So I just turn it on my uh plate now, or plastic plate. So I'll just spread it so it will get cold. So here is the coconut candy. Look at it, look at it, look at how delicious. Look at how delicious, and the aroma is everywhere. All my house is smelling coconut. So here, so I want to taste it if it's nice, and it tastes, and it tastes, and it tastes, and it tastes really nice. I love it, but it's hot now, but it tastes very nice. I really love it. So if you like this video, do not forget to follow my page, like and share my video, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.